What's going on, guys? I'm sorry if the quality is a little down today. I'm actually filming this on my iPhone, which is almost more convenient to film on because I can actually just look at myself while I'm talking, which is a little awkward, but it's kind of nice because I can actually see what I'm filming. Anyway, my wife has her camera because it's actually her camera that I use to film on because I'm not rich and I can't afford my own right now. Someday we'll get there. Probably could have afforded one over the course of this time frame. Shut up, car. Anyway, so what are we doing today? We're heading down to Daltons. Actually, oh wow, what am I, 15 again? Voice is super cracky. Woo! Anyway, first up, I gotta head down to the DOL and renew the registration on the Miata because it doesn't have it right now. So we're gonna start there, bank for money for the Miata, register, and then we're gonna go down and see Dalton. He actually picked up a new vehicle to go to drift events with me. As you guys know, he has the Z4M, which is a convertible, as his like kind of running sporty car, which is super rad. But the downside is like the local track doesn't allow convertibles to go drifting. You have to have a roll bar, which is why my Miata's okay, but his car isn't. So roll bars are super expensive for those cars apparently. I don't know. But yeah, so anyway, so he picked up another vehicle from his sister. He just bought it off of her to turn into one. So we're actually gonna head over and meet up with him too. He's actually registering it right now. And I'm gonna go do the same thing with my car because I just hadn't registered it because I forgot and I hadn't been driving it. So we're gonna go do that, and then I'll check back in with you when we get there and show you the new ride, hopefully. So we out here at Dalton's. This is his new truck. We are donating the Sparko seat back to Dalton for his driver's seat. Dalton, do you want to talk about your truck a little bit? I don't know. What is it? What are we doing with it?
Well, see, Dalton takes on too many projects all the time, so he never has actual cars to drive. And his Z4 doesn't have a roll bar, so I can't go drift it. It's super lame. So, I bought this 87 Toyota pickup with a 5-speed swap in it. We're gonna go drifting. Do it. So currently, got a Sparko that I gave David, and now he's letting me use it back.
I'm giving it back to you.
I'm gonna weld the diff.
Nobody wants it.
I'm gonna replace this a wheel stud.
We're gonna go in front.
We're gonna go up and pick it up.
I'm not telling them yet. That's a surprise video.
Drift.
That's a surprise video for next week that I haven't told them yet.
Okay, drift.
Yeah.
We're gonna go drift.
Yeah, okay.
In Drift Truck Live.
We're gonna go do
Underpowered Drift Truck Live.
Exactly.
22R Live.
I feel a little bad because I have the RX-7 or the Miata that's like all fixed now, and it's like, I got that RX-7 that's underpowered to learn on too.
Just bring the Miata.
So, quick update. Working on putting in the seat here. As you can kind of see, we started mounting or at least I started mounting the bolts for the brackets to hold the seat in. It's going well. Just started raining, so that's super cool. He doesn't have a very big garage to work out of. And then we also have down here, he's disconnected the drive shafts, and yeah, got the wheels off. Got to fix the wheel stud over here. Little wheel stud right there that's broken, that guy right there. So we went ahead and got all the parts for that. I've got about 3.5-ish hours before I have to take off on this project, which kind of sucks because I wish I could stay here longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the seat install, and then hopefully I can jump on helping him. He just left to go take Carrie, his girlfriend, to work because she doesn't drive. He should be back shortly, and it just started raining, so super fun. Get back to it. Seat's almost in. Okay.
If it's right there, then I'm going to should I restart?
You know whatever you want, man.
Okay.
It's a vlog. It doesn't have to be organized. That's the best part about vlogs.
So
go stand over there,
today-
though. Go stand by your truck.
So today,
Go stand by your truck. Wait, hang there. We can both be in it. Hey.
okay.
Hey.
So today, we got some progress done on the little mini drift truck in like almost no time. David mounted a seat.
We got a 6 seat.
Yep. We got a bucket in that bad boy.
Solid seating position.
Solid seating position. And then I started to pull the axles from the diff, and I unattached it and took off the plate and everything. And we're gonna clean that and held it, so locked up here, and
We're gonna finish it by Saturday.
we're gonna finish it by Saturday.
No, you're going to.
Oh yeah,
I'm not here.
So that we can go drift somewhere. But yeah, let's do it. Building a drift truck.
Okay, I'm going home.
Building a drift.
Going home. Yada friend, how you doing? Apparently you were black at one point. Alright guys, we're on our way back home from Dalton's. Sorry if this was a short video, and I'm sorry if the quality was down. Like I said, my wife has her camera, so I just gotta make do with the iPhone. That's what I got right now. Made it work. Super cool. We made a little bit of progress on the little Toyota mini truck. And we got distracted and just started talking and BSing, and I didn't film anything. We got the seat mounted in. It was the old seat that I had in the Miata, which we're currently in, which is super cool, driving home. It's a little sketchy out right now because it's raining, so I'm filming this at a stoplight. Yeah, so anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. It's gonna be a good week next week. Peace.